Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a DOOGEE X97 Pro, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings. Let's tap on them and scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. Let's tap. And as you can see, we've been transferred to this graph, which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case, above 30 minutes, about half an hour. What is more, we can check on which apps I've spent most of the time. We've got the unlocks count and the notifications count also. And you've got two different ways to check some details. So you can tap inside the graph, and as you can see, we will have this dashboard, which will show for how long we've been using the device in particular days of the week. We can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. And the second way, you can tap directly on the app. So for example, the settings. And as you can see, again, we've got the dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. Again, screen time to the notifications and times opened, and daily from hourly. So basically, this is it for the screen time. However, just a quick disclaimer about the ways to disconnect, because basically, if you need the time for yourself, you want to rest, you feel that you just want to have a rest from your device, you want to focus, you want to work, you want to sleep, you want to spend the time with your family, I highly recommend to simply set one of those modes, the bedtime mode or the focus mode, because thanks to this, your device will be allowed to hide some kind of notifications from the distracting apps, for example, like social media, in particular days and in particular hours. So you will simply not be disturbed. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your DOOGEE X97 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.